Oh no, Max, where did you go? Please come back, Max! Max, are you hiding? Ah! I am all alone now. Maybe he is behind that big tree. No, he is not here. What if I never find him? Max? Max, where are you? Max! Please, where are you? Are you hiding under the slide? Ugh, he is not here either. Should I dig in the sand? Yeah, I think I'll try digging. Max, is that you? Did anyone see a golden puppy? Oh, it's just a silly toy car. Where did he go? I will ask someone for help. Excuse me, officer, help! I lost my puppy. His name is Max.
Whoa, slow down, little guy. I will help you.
I am small, golden, and very fast. He broke his leash and ran away.
A golden puppy, got it. We will find him. Let us check near the big trees first.
Thank you, officer. Let us go. Max, here, boy! Max, here, boy! Max, here, boy! Mr. Ben! Mr. Ben! Mr. Ben! Mr. Ben! Mr. Ben!
Hello, Leo. Want some ice cream?
No, thank you. I lost my dog, Max.
Wait, I saw a yellow flash.
Yes, did he come this way? He has big ears and loves sweets.
He went right behind that green bush.
Max, I am coming! Thank you! It is very thick in here. I am coming, Max. A muddy paw print. He was just here. Max, I am on your trail. Almost there. Huh? What was that splash? Is that him? I have to be very quiet. Oh, look at the water. Oh, you silly little puppy. You are playing with a frog. I am going to catch you. Hey, you gotcha! I found you. I missed you so much. Stop it! That tickles! You are a good boy. Let us go home now.
Hey, I see you found him.
Yes, officer, we found him!
Great job, little detective. You are a fast runner, little dog.
I was playing in the mud. My hands got all messy. It was so much fun!
Keep him on a strong leash now.
Bye, officer. Thank you. Mr. Ben, look who I found.
Yay! The golden rocket is safe! You both deserve a big treat. Here you go, strawberry and lime.
Wow, thank you. Okay, just a tiny piece for you. Yummy, this is the best. Best day ever.